Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at these stunning mid-century, modern gold wall sconces today. These fixtures feature a beautiful brass base, combined with a sleek black frame and milk glass shades. The frosted globe shade softens the brightness to protect your eyes, while adding elegance to any room. You can easily install them in your bathroom, bedroom, or hallway for a sophisticated and timeless look. Measuring about 6 inches high, these compact lights fit perfectly beside your bed or along a stairwell. They use standard E26 bulbs and support dimmable setups to create the perfect mood in your home. This simple assembly process ensures you can enjoy your new stylish lighting in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.